Welcome to Hardcore Garage. It's been a minute since we did it like this, so why not? Back to the Cameo. One of the things that I did notice on that was when you shifted the gears, there was no indicator on the dash. So I thought that's got to be an issue, and I think that I remember pulling out the clusters. There's always a little cable hanging off the edge, so we got to find that. It's going to be the next video. Should be pretty short, to the point. Hopefully it helps you guys out. Let's check it out. I pulled that bottom cover off to get the carpet out, but I didn't see a gear selector little thing on there, so I want to see where that's at. Plus we're just playing anyway, so we're going to remove this guy here. Got a couple screws there. Pretty sure we're going to have to remove this brake. No, we don't have to remove that. We're going to have to remove the computer thing here, and there's some screws here and there. Simple enough. Let's pop that off just so I can get a look at the steering column. Focus. Okay. So, let me show you this here, if I can. You probably have to get up in here and look around, but you'll see right there's the cable that controls your shifter, and it's not hooked to anything. You can pull it down and you'll feel some resistance. Well, it needs to be hooked to this little thing right over here, and I don't know that I can pull it around like that, so I'm going to pull this down into like drive or low 1 or something, and see if it'll be closer, and hook it on, see what happens. I don't know if that really helped me, but it definitely won't pull all the way around there. So plan B is, I don't know, unless it hooks onto like, oh, maybe it hooks onto right there. Let's see, it just has to clip onto something. I bet you that might be it. Look, it's got that opening right there. I bet you that's where it goes right there. I can't do this the way I am though. This is not the most comfortable spot in the world, but yeah, that little notch was the key. It didn't have anything to do with this. It hooks onto this plastic piece here, is what rotates. So just get it clipped on there. I don't know if that's exactly right, but it reads right on the gauges up here. Until I see another one, I don't really know. It's not, doesn't feel like it's scratching, and this is flared out on this side. It's not on the other side. So I think that's how it's supposed to go, even though it doesn't quite look perfect. Let's jump up here. You can see I'm in low 1 right now, all the way over. Low 2, drive, overdrive, neutral, reverse, park. Hopefully that was showing. I wasn't. Probably wasn't. But anyway, you can see it now. The red thing there. Let's go back into reverse, neutral, drive, or overdrive, drive, second one. It may supposed to be over a little bit more. Where's it at here? So if it was stretched out a little more, it would pull over farther. Maybe that's the key. Well, I call that a win. Now what? Well, there you go. That was a pretty simple fix. The only thing I didn't show you was how to get the hood release cable off. If you haven't done that before, it's the actual cable piece on the back side of the dash is similar to like a brake cable. You know, if you ever looked at the brake lever on a bicycle, there's a little round, almost like a lead piece that's on the end of the cable. If you pull the steel structure of the release towards yourself, you'll be able to pop that little nipple off. And actually, I think it's a metal nipple, not a lead one on that. I'm thinking of the brake release also. But it's back there. It's easy to pop off. The whole thing comes through the dash. Easy peasy, and you're done. The next thing we're going to do is take out the rest of that dash. So who knows if you'll get that one, or there may be some surprises coming Friday. You'll just have to wait and see. Keep on trucking.